This is a magnificent dialect of African wild dogs and their playful pups. For the pack, it's all about keeping the little ones safe and fed. Despite their constant chatter, but the most bizarre thing about wild dog communication is how the pack decides to start hunting. Recent studies show they signal with a sneeze. Each one is equivalent to a vote. The more sneezes, the more likely they are to hunt. When enough of them are on board, the pack sets out. Relentless chatter is now exchanged for near silence, because noise not only alerts potential prey, but larger predators too. Lions or hyena will often steal their kills. Today's target: wildebeest. Wildebeest are faster than the dogs, but the pack's phenomenal endurance and ability to work as a team makes them Africa's most successful large predators. Back at the den, another of the dog's complex communications is revealed. And when the little ones make this particular call, it triggers the adults to share their spoils. It's one of the first calls pups must learn, part of a rich and complex language, the most sophisticated of any dog species.